This is phase one of a three-phase program that the Oconomowoc School District programmed for their sweeping changes of their athletic fields. Phase one is on the west side of the high school site. We were able to regrade an old gravel pit into a nice new softball diamond.
Our softball diamond with the elevation in the right field and things, that is absolutely spectacular. It's a dynamic place to play.
And on the west side, we're able to grade out two soccer fields.
So we put a smaller practice field and a championship-sized soccer field there.
We moved the fences and built a nice new ticket booth that's much safer. It also provides a great entrance and vista as you walk into the stadium.
We have an article that was written by a kid who was young who said, I watched my dad come down here with the principal and they dreamed about this swampy area being a football field and the bleachers built into the side of the hill.
The school district was looking to make sure that this was a usable facility year-round, that they were able to practice and play on it and have a great surface all year round.
And he said, I just remember thinking, Dad, you're crazy, that's never going to happen. And that was Steve Rux talking about his father Ed. Fast forward to 2014 and it's here. And it's awesome.
Scott and I went to many stadiums, and this was the best product we found. Concussions were a big deal now in football, and we wanted to provide the safest field possible.
The track is an 8-lane, 400-meter track. It's a polyurethane base with a structural spray over the top.
So we've got new discus, new shot put, new pole vault, new long triple jump, and a new high jump pad in the back. We put a press box and a new visitors bleachers, so we have new stadium lighting that doesn't have as much splash on the neighboring properties.
This community has always been soccer crazy. We've never had the opportunity to honor our kids, boys and girls, by having their own stadium.
The soccer program at Oconomowoc is very strong, and the school district felt strongly then that we should get a nice stadium for them, and that's what we did here.
That stadium is absolutely spectacular because it's an intimate setting for the size crowds that soccer bring. The stands are packed, the scoreboard is rocking, the lights are on, the music's blaring, and kids are playing soccer all around the outside. Likewise, in baseball, we had to have a JV and freshman field.
Oconomowoc has always had a strong baseball program, so making sure we had a good baseball field for the sophomores and freshmen was important to the scope of this project.
They said, we got to build it down here. We can utilize the same concession stand and the same bathrooms if we do that. So we moved our baseball diamond up. That stops foul balls from breaking windows in the neighborhood, which is really a good thing for me.
So the concessions building needed a new roof. That was part of the project, a nice metal roof. But we also opened up the concessions, had to open up the wall there so that we're able to have concessions for the soccer games, not having to walk around the building to get their hot dog.
If you say athletics is about a team experience, I would say that we had a complete and total team. Not only the district, to Yaggy Colby, to Nicholas, but to our community. Our people said this is the right thing to do, and what are we going to do to get it done?
If you had to describe this project in one word.
Oh, I can do it in two.
Do it in two.
Overwhelmingly spectacular.